Good evening, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back with the additional. The additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday. Yes, it's Wednesday, June the 19th, 2024. We have here 7 extra puzzles. Those puzzles are the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. We have 2 jigsaw Sudokus, one with 4 stars, one with 1 star. In Dutch, they call it Cypherblock. In Japanese, Suguru. And the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles, I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. 4 of them I will solve this evening. Why not all? Well, too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. And besides, I've already solved 3 regular puzzles this afternoon. Alright, let me start with the first one. First one is a 3 stars Sudoku. This will be number 8750. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Usually the 3 stars puzzle has 25. This one has 26. Should be a 2 stars puzzle. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. Well, it's indicated with 3 stars, and for 3 stars puzzle, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. Alright? Question is this a 3 stars puzzle or 2 stars puzzle? We don't know, we will see, so let's get started. Let me see. 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 4 is missing, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3, 4, 9. 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9, 3, 4, 9. And look, we have a 3 and a 4 in this row. So no 3 and a 4 in this box. 3 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 4, 3 and 4. We have a 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here and a 4 goes there. So 1 digit left in this big square for number 9. Alright. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so the row below. Only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have a 4 in the first column, no 4 there, 4, it should be there. 7 in the first column, 7 in the second column, so the third column, no, only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. Alright. Then, 6 in the last column, 6 in the column next. So that column, the only 2 places left, the 6 should be here or there. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be there. And we have a pair. The 6 and 8 in this row. The 6 and 8 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left, the 6 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this row? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. So we have a 5 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 5 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for 5 should be there. 2 numbers left now in this big square for numbers. 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2, the 9, 2, the 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. 2 missing numbers in this row. 4 numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. The 8 and 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. So what are the other 2 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1 is missing, the 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Alright. Okay. 9, 9. Need a 1 here. Yeah. How about? I need a 9 here. That means we need a 9 there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row, so the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have 7 in the middle column, no 7 there, 7 should be here, 7 in this column, 7 in the middle column, so the column next, the only 2 places left, the 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this row, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last row, Oh, we have a pair, the 1 and a 7 in the last row, the 1 and a 7 in a row above. So in that row, the only 2 places left for the 1 and 7 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 7, 1 and 7. We have a 7 in the last column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3, we have a 1 now in the last column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. 7 and a 9, we have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 9 goes there. 9, okay. You have all the 7s, and all the 7s are used. I can't see digit number 1, number 7. Then 1, 1. Need a 9 there. How about need a 9 here. Well, in this column, wait. In this column, we need a 9. These 2 boxes can be 9 because we have 9 in the first row, the 9 in the second row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. The 9 should be in one of these 3 boxes. I think the 9 should be here. Here can be 9 in this row because we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. And I cannot place the 9 there because we need a 9 in this column. So the 9 should be definitely here. Okay. So 2 numbers left in this row. For numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6 and 8, 6 and 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 6, need a 6 there. 6 and 8, we have 8 now in the second column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, 6 goes there. 8. Well, we have 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the row below, so last row, the only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in the last column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. And now, How about these 3 missing numbers in this big square? Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 4, 5, 9. 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9, 4, 5, 9. And look, we have 4 in this column. No, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4 in this big square. Should be there. So the 9 and the 5 are left. Let me mark those. Yeah, so 2 numbers left in this column. For numbers, the 1 is missing. And the 2 is missing. 1 and 2. 1 box left in this column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing here. So we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 to 5, we have 5 now in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in the last column. For numbers, the 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4 is missing. 2 and 4, 2 and 4. We have a 4 in the last row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. 3 and 9, 3 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 9 and 5, we have a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 5 goes there. All right. 2 numbers left in this column. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, the 5, and the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 4 and 8, 4 and 8. We have 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row. Only 3 places left for 8 should be here, or there. We have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 in the second column, no 8 there. The only place left for 8 should be there. Now 1, 1, 1, 2, 2, 2, 1, 2, 3. How about these 2 missing numbers in this column? For numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing, the 5 and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6, 4 and the 6. We have a 4 in the third row, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. 4 in the first row, 4 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left, the 4 should be here or there. We have 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 2, number 4. All right. How about the 5 in this row? 5 in a row below. So last row. Only 2 places left. The 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the third column. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used. I can see. This is number 3, number 5. Okay. 1 box left in the last row for number. The 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. The 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column 3 in the second column, the only 2 places left for the 3 should be here or there. We have a 3 in the third row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the third row, 3 in the second row, so the first row, the only place left for 3 should be there. And all the 3s are used. I can see. This is number 4, number 3. 2 numbers left now in this big square. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 2 and the 6, 2 and the 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 and the 9. We have a 2 now in the second column. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 box left now in this column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the first row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. The 2 is missing. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 in the second row. No 2 there. 2 should be here. No 1 goes there. The 1 in the first row, the 1 in the second row, so the third row, the only 2 places left, the 1 should be here or there. We have a 1 in the first column, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing, 7, 8, 9 is missing, 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 9 goes there, finish in 11 minutes. Wow, 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 wow. This one is well quick to solve. We solve it again, and I like this one, yes I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file, so you can make it or solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you in a minute with the other 3 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.